contour. My face is not sitting the way I wanted to sit. I'm here for it, okay? I'm here for little SZA. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Ishowhair. They were kind of sending me another unit to review for you guys. I will also be showing you guys how I put this unit on without any makeup, aka not wearing a lot of makeup on my face. Some of you guys have really been interested in seeing that. I don't know why, because I be looking rough, but you know what? We're gonna try it anyway, okay? So I'm hoping this video comes out the way that I want it to. If my thumbnail is popping, then obviously you already saw that. But anyway, before we get into all that, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes from Ishowbeauty Hair. It is their Waterwave lace front unit. It comes in a natural color, and the starting price for this unit is $59.99. Now, obviously, depending on the specs of your unit, the price will go up. You either get this unit in 10 to 26 inches and 150 or 180% density. My unit in particular is 22 inches and 150% density, so my unit is $150.19. That is very affordable for a curly hair unit, especially in this length, okay? Get that change purse. And then it looks like this unit comes with a 13x4 lace parting area. It also has 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the middle, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. The unit does come pre-plucked, but it's a little, it can be a little thick, you know, for my taste, so I did go in and pluck it up just a teeny bit to make sure it blended down the way that I wanted it to on my head, okay? So we're gonna take our powder before we put this joint on. Where my powder at? See, I need to have stuff handy, and I did right in my face, right in my face. Before we put this joint on, I did go in and wash and condition the hair as usual. You know, I like to do that, okay? This unit does come with that chemical smell, so you want to get that out as much as possible. I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color 360 Mocha to blend out this hairline. Now, I know I don't bleach nothing but my whites, okay? So we're going to go ahead and blend these knots out as much as possible with our face powder. Let's go ahead and get that joint in there. Now, this does seem a little big, but we're going to put her on and see what she fitting like. The straps are still attached in the back of my unit, and yeah, that fits down pretty much perfectly with my wig grip on. Definitely feel like it's a lot easier to wear curly units without makeup because it looks more natural. When it comes to straighter units, you gotta make sure that hairline is right because you don't really have anything to hide it, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so we're gonna cut this lace in those 3 sections. Any excess, yep, got some excess over there. Okay, so got to be freeze spray, that's what we're using. Okay, and then I'm going to tie it down with my little scarf here. So while that is sitting and drying down and trying to melt down to my forehead, we're gonna go ahead and do a little bit of makeup, but not what you think, okay? So first I'm gonna take my baby skin. This is my Maybelline primer. Sorry y'all, sorry. And then for our brows, I'm going to take our setting powder, whatever you have, that's what you use, but I'm using my Laura Mercier setting powder, okay? So I'm gonna set my brows, because I don't want them to move. I'm gonna take my Revlon Color Stay brow pencil. You guys know that's what I like, that's what I use. And I'm going to sparsely fill in the brow hairs that I already have. Okay? Now this step is optional. I'm gonna put a little teeny bit of concealer under my brow. So I'm going to take my concealer brush and just pat that on in. Thicken these up just a little bit. Now for the under eye, we're going to do a little bit of concealer as well, just to hide these bags, okay? And while that is sitting, I'm going to start to, wait. Let me get this out of here. Oh no. Wait, let me take it off. Let me see. Yeah, their hairline is literally non-existent, but we're gonna try to fix it. We're gonna try to make something out of nothing. We're gonna try to make it work, y'all. We're gonna try to make it work. Because I did not pluck it a lot, you can definitely see how, you know, thick that hairline is. Plucking out a little something. See what I did there? Okay, just bring it out and pluck. Real simple. Okay, see? Told y'all. It's a method to my madness. And then I'm going to use my setting powder again. My contour shade out of here. I'm gonna put that on our cheeks. Oop, I can't see. I'm gonna put that on our cheeks and up into that hairline. The brush I used to put the powder on my lace. Just gonna use that on top just to blend everything in to make it seamless. And so I don't have any shiny, parts of my face since I didn't do a whole bunch of setting and things like that, okay? Now, for the eyes, you can leave those, blank or whatever, but I'm going to set those with my BH Cosmetics, my Black Radiant Soft Focus Finishing Powder. Look how awake I look. I look real awake, don't I? We're not gonna do a whole bunch of swoops because I don't feel like it's needed. Just gonna do a little bit, just a little bit. Okay guys, so here's the finished look. This is how it came out. I think it blended down really, really nicely without any makeup on. When I say no makeup, to me it means no foundation, no type of excess, anything to blend that lace down. I wanted to see how it would fit down on my head, and I think it fits down really, really well. I know I look so different without like my long eyelashes on or whatever, but you guys wanted to see a more natural glam down look, so this is what I gave y'all, and I think it came out really cute. So my face looked a little fat without my little contour going on. Where's my contour? My face is not sitting the way I wanted to sit, but it's okay. It's okay. Let's make sure. Let's see if we can see that lace. Can y'all can't see that lace because I can't see that lace. Yes. Okay. Oh, so my glasses are dirty. Goodness gracious. Little lift. Let me get that back down. Let's not do that. You saw in the put down that I did do a little bit of wand curls in my unit just to give it some life here in the front because I did not want to do the wet look. I really wanted big hair without like it being big. Does that make sense? That sounds really weird. I don't know. This unit is 22 inches on me, so that is how far it comes down on me. It comes down past my chest, and then to the back is pretty much like mid back on me as well. This is what it's looking like from the back. It's still a little wet back there, so you still may see a little bit of that curl pattern. And I think it's a lot of hair for only 150% density. Yeah, that's what it said that I got. If I'm wrong though, like always, I'll put it down in the description box. But this hair is gorgeous. Like it feels really nice. I will tell you, I did get some shedding with this unit when I did the co-wash, so be mindful of that. The ends can be a little scraggly if you do not put a lot of product on it. Because I did not put a lot of product in this hair, you can see like a little bit of the split ends or whatever, but that's mainly from me going in and blow drying the hair. It made it kind of frizzy. So yep, I'm going to wear this hair the rest of the day. It feels really good on my head. It's very light, it flows. Okay, it's a nice airy breezy type of look. I'm here for it. Okay, I'm here for little SZA. Now, as always, if you want to check this unit out, I'll put the links for it down below, as well as any coupon codes that I have. Shout out one more time to ISHOW for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. Before you guys ask me, yes, I am drinking my tea still. You can go over to my community tab and see about the tea, what I think about all that kind of stuff, because I did write up a little, dissertation about that joint. So you can go. Don't do what Kenny did, and he had a rough time. But anyways, that's what I've been drinking throughout this video. So yeah, so if you want to check this tea out as well, that will be linked down below so you guys can do that. But that is all I got for you guys today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.